So for today's video, we are at 7 Bungalows, Versova metro station, and we are seeing a 2 BHK on sale and on rent. This is just walking distance from the Versova metro station. So as we enter, this is the living room. On the left hand side, this is the TV unit. And this is the second entry given. So commercial use may be available for this flat subject to the permission from the society. This is on ground floor. For a 2 BHK flat, the living room is quite good. Semi-furnished flat, and on the left hand side, this is the kitchen, and we've got 2 bedrooms on the right hand side, and that is the common washroom. So this is the kitchen cabinets and everything is made but needs little bit upgradation and cleaning. This is the space for the fridge. So this is the first bedroom. Nothing much to see over here. And this is the common washroom. And this is the master bedroom. So 2 wardrobes, bed, side tables, and a TV unit is already made over here. And this is available on sale for 2.35 crore rupees, which is negotiable, and the rent is 45,000 rupees. So call on 98199768854, and that is the washroom, because this is a master bedroom.